A double shalom forever, my eternal family, especially to my master's degree students. This is your case study format that you're going to submit on or before January 25. Hello, kumusta na po kayo? As you know, the master's degree is a one trimester year program. 1 year lang po ang ating study. And we expect for you to submit, of course, your case study as an output, and then your advisor will give you grade, and then will recommend you to as a candidate for graduation. So the first stage of your case study must be the BAM Academy logo. Remember, BAM Academy, in the word BAM, it is a Bible Abiding Ministers Academy under the Bangkok Apostolic Ministry. So the second page would be your bio data page. Means that you could see there details of your course. So school year 2024 and 2025, you write down there if you are MSED, the Master of Christian Education, and write it down case study, and write the name of your advisor, Professor Donato C. Gutierrez. Submit it on, and then student, your name. If you are a Master of Ministry, so write it down there, Master of Ministry, the same format. And your course advisor is Professor Amor C. Saflor. Next page will be your title. So find a title that would, of course, relevant to your course. If you are a Master of Ministry, it must be with regard to ministry. If it is a Master of Christian Education, it must be with regard to learning and Christian education. And next, after the title, would be the introduction. So state the problem and the effects of the problem. So you troubleshoot whatever you see in the ministry. If you are a Master of Ministry and you see how people are growing in their knowledge, especially if you are in the Master of Christian Education. So find the problem and what are those effects of those problems, so that you're going to see these problems. I mean, you need to go and ask people, gather data. You may hand them questionnaires. So from this, you're going to do research so that you could have an idea, not coming from you only, but from the fact that people experience, from their experiences, from their expectation as well, or what they see with regard to your topic that you're going to use. Okay? Do some research. Then after that one, you need to write down your conclusion. After your research, you need to have your conclusion. It means that in the conclusion part, you need to write down the data general analysis. So from the research that you have gathered those data, you need to analyze those data. And then, what are those theory on solving the problem? And then objective recommendation. So what you're gonna do right now, the church, what we need to do. So from the research, you're asking questions from the people, and then from this, data that you have gathered, uh, establish your conclusion or your analysis. What does this, data mean? So interpret the data, and what's your theory of on solving that problem? Because there are lots of problems that you're going to gather. So you need to find out your theory of solving the problem. And then your objective recommendation means that what you're gonna do out from this, data, and then from your theory, you recommend what you're gonna do, what we must do to avoid and eliminate the problem by using, of course, the biblical principles in the Bible, the Word of God. And then after that one, this is the summary. Cover page with logo, data page, title page, introduction, research, and then conclusion. It's very easy and doable. Even for 1 to 2 days, you are going to finish writing this. So a deadline will be January 25 and submit to my messenger, Bishop Harl. If you haven't added me yet, So you need to add me, okay? So that I can read whatever you have submitted to me. So God bless you, my master's degree students, and see you every Saturday. And of course, I wanna see you. I'm so excited to see you on the graduation day. Shalom, shalom, and have a good day. Bye.